Right, good morning, Shep. I think we're on.
That was close. I've only just made it out of hair and makeup, mate.
Oh, come on, mate. There was a bit of a queue there this morning, so...
I know.
Welcome.
Hello and welcome everybody to the 4th edition of Laser Live, the very first for 2026.
Oh, is it 4 now, Shep?
4.
Oh, blimey.
They've led us back 4 times, mate.
Well, Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome on board. Again, as we mentioned before, comments, please put comments on. If you've got any questions, we will try to answer questions as we go along. So please put it into the comments section and we'll do our best. So, right, Shep, should we start with the first anticipated product?
We will. 2 very hot new products we have to lead with. Firstly, the Laser 9303, a brand new product, EVIP 2, Electric Vehicle Immobiliser Plug.
Yeah.
Bright orange for a very specific reason. It does a very specific job. We'll take you over to an EV and show you exactly what it does. Sean, off we go.
So this came in yesterday, Shep? This is now in stock?
It arrived into stock yesterday. Hot new product. You simply plug it into your EV charging port like so. And what this does, exactly as it says in the intro, electric vehicle immobiliser plug. The vehicle will not move with this plugged into the socket.
So what would this typically be used for, Shep?
If the vehicle's in an accident and
Yep.
you want to check whether the vehicle's still live and in drive, you could open the flap and plug it in. The vehicle will not move.
Right. So any instances where you'd use that as well? So.
There is. I'll
Yep.
just show you how it operates in the vehicle first. So if I jump in this vehicle, put my foot on the brake, put it into drive. Let me get the key in here. And it's showing on the dashboard, charging cable connected, vehicle will not drive. It's going for drive, it will not go into drive. So the vehicle will not move.
Right, okay.
It's also very useful in workshop use as well as recovery use. So if you've had a new windscreen fitted and the operative wants to set the windscreen wipers up, you can have the vehicle switched on but not moving, and you can set the wipers.
Right, okay.
Also, if the vehicle's been in an accident and it's had a new guidance camera fitted, what it can also do is be used with the vehicle live, not drivable, we must admit, and basically you can set the ADAS system up.
Right, so for ADAS as well, yeah.
Cameras up, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Shep.
So a fantastic new product, and it's available now, hot off the press.
Right.
We'll just lead on to the next product now with this. The second product we have today is the 9304. This is an adapter plug to convert Type 2 vehicles to Type 1. Type like this. Basically, if you've got a Type 1 vehicle, you can put this adapter in to the socket like that, so you can use this on the Type 1 vehicle.
So could you use that? That's for home use, Shep?
For home use, yeah, you could get a new cable. Type 2 cable, use this adapter to charge your vehicle.
Right, so for older vehicles as well, yeah.
Yeah, so it's basically for older vehicle use.
Yeah, yeah.
A great companion if you've got a workshop and you don't know which vehicle is going to be coming in.
These are both on the front of the tool saver. We will put a link again in on that as well. So these are in stock now, both of these products. So, all right, Shep.
Okay. Right, keep up, Sean.
Oh.
It's also very durable.
All right, so we're going to go off now. Again, another product that we're going to show you is the new EV table.
So sticking with EV vehicles for a moment. Got a new EV table in the range, operated by air over hydraulics, lifting from the minimum of 550 up to a maximum of 1750. Pedal operation, like so, just plug in your airline and it's foot pedal operated. It will go up to full height. It will take a moment. As you see on the side, it has a 1 ton lift capacity. It's got 6, 8 holes in the platform for your adjustable height to sit in your battery on. You can also use these very widely out in the marketplace, in the workshops, for taking cradles out of vehicles. So don't just think it's a one-track pony. You can use it for other things in the workshop.
So these simply come out and can be put into the other holes?
Yeah, these you can adjust the height on them, you can unbolt them, slide them around, the bolts you just take out, you can move them to different points on the table. It's got 8 mounting points on it.
Brilliant.
The table itself is adjustable and lockable. You've got 4 of these handles here around the table. If we undo them all, like so, we can then slide the table like so. So it's for setting it back up. When you come to put the battery back in the vehicle, it's precision setup. And then you can basically lock these, and they've got adjusters underneath here. You won't be able to see them from there, but there are adjusters under here where you can actually change where you're locking the table.
Right.
You can lock the table in position. You've got 4 casters on it, so it's very, very manoeuvrable, and you can also lock these in position as well.
And all the wheels move freely as well, don't they?
Yeah,
Yep.
like I say, 4 rotating casters on it, so it's very manoeuvrable around the workshop. You can adjust the speed that it comes down. It's got a valve down the bottom of there, so you can adjust how fast it will come down. But if you use your pedal in a reasonable sort of manner, you can guide that in the right way as well.
Perfect.
Brand new into the range again, continuing with the EVs stuff that we're doing today.
Yeah, and again in the tool saver leaflet, so we will put a link on at the end for this as well. All right.
Okay.
I'll get my steps in today, Shep.
Cue card number 4. Lightweight oil drainer.
Okay, bring this one round for you.
So this lightweight unit, 30 litre capacity tank at the bottom of it. It is adjustable in height, 1.1 metres. So this is ideal for home use or people that use a scissor lift, a mid-rise scissor lift. So this is ideal for sliding under the vehicle so you can actually do your oil drain. Simple to drain off as well. So it's got a tap at the bottom so we can drain it out. It's also got a level on here as well. Fantastic little portable unit.
How many litres, Shep, was this one?
30 litre
litres,
tank
yeah.
on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it just goes up, you just...
Yeah, it's just on a screw here. We can just lift this up and down.
Yeah.
And adjust the height on it.
I think the pan, it's got a 13 litre pan as well, hasn't it, on the top of that as well?
Yeah, it's got a full-size workshop pan
Yeah.
on the top of it, yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's, we've brought a few new oil drainers in, haven't we? And obviously this is another...
Yeah, it's another addition to the range. Are very popular oil drainers, obviously. It's one of the main things that's done in garages that look after fleets of vehicles and stuff like that. But like I say, from people that can only use a mid-rise lift, and enthusiasts as well.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fantastic for that sort of market. So
Home
they can
use,
drain
yeah.
it into there. They can do a few oil changes before they have to dispose of it.
Perfect. All right. Just check this.
Our next product, mind you, is 9269.
So.
Just let them catch up there a minute. 6-piece impact socket set with a non-conductive adapter. So we've got 5 3/8 drive sockets in this kit, 8, 10, 12, 13 and 14 mil. And also, you may have noticed I said about the non-conductive adapter, get me words out. This is slightly different to the other ones that we showed you in the previous kits that we've done before. This one is a 3/8 drive adapter. Like that, 3/8 drive to that end. And what these non-conductive adapters do is allow you to use power tools, electric tools and metal sockets on an EV vehicle without being put under the sort of lost my way. Without being without being able to get electrocuted, basically. In the centre of this, the metal does not run from one end to the other. It's got a composite centre. It's a very, very durable product. It's been well tested, and it's insulated to 1000 volts. So if you want to use power tools on an EV, make sure you're using one of these.
So this is very similar. We've shown some of these before, haven't we, Shep? We've got a range of these now, haven't we?
We have the other ones that we do, like I said before, they have the quick chuck design on them.
Yeah.
So they're used with power tools like drills and rattle guns and stuff like that.
But again, another EV product, you know, added to the range.
Yep. The kit number, like I say, is 9269. The socket on its own, the adapter, is 9277. Will be available on its own.
Ready. Shep, take that off you. That's the next one.
Now, this is one of my favourite products at the moment.
You've been talking about this one, Shep.
Drive shaft removal tool. Simple product this, but fantastic the way it works. A lot of the ones that we've done before have got 2 forks on them, so you slide them up either side of the shaft and lever against the housing of the gearbox. This one is slightly different. You can see it's shaped so it actually fits up around the drive shaft. It's beveled on one side here, so it will go up, or you can use it either one way round or the other way round. So if you've got a tapered drive shaft that's tight to the gearbox, this will fit in. The other part we've got here, you've got 3 holes in here. This can be threaded into either one of those, and it's got a pivot on it, like so. This durable rubber foot, which can be adjusted in height, sits onto the gearbox. That goes behind the drive shaft, and the pivot operation there levers the shaft out of the gearbox. Having this touching the gearbox rather than it being metal to metal contact, you don't get any damage to the gearbox casing webbing. So it's a fantastic product, that.
I can see a video coming for this one, Shep.
I can almost certainly think that we're going to have to do one, mate.
Yeah, no, I think that's a really good product. I think that's going to do really well. Is this one in, Shep? I'm not sure, I think.
This is in stock now, yes.
That one's in, yep.
Yeah, this was released into stock and went live last week. 9310. I think it's a great product, this, across all workshops, really.
Universal use,
yeah.
So,
and it's flat. You can take that out, lay it flat in your toolbox. It's not difficult to store.
Perfect. Brilliant. So these ones that we're going to show next, were through requests. These ones, Shep, from garages?
Yes, the first one, 9316, is a new adapter for Renault and Mercedes DCI. We've had a lot of requests for this since we launched the 7980 filler kit 12-18 months ago. We've had a lot of requests for this part to go with that kit. We listen to what people ask for. We're good at that sometimes. And this is the adapter that can be used with that. And this is available now. So it is a bayonet fit, goes into the top of the oil filler where the cap goes, and you've got the standalone funnel, 7980 fits on top of it.
So, and please stay logged in. We will talk to you a little bit more about that later on. We've got something to announce with this particular part number. Also, we've got another addition, which is part number 9374, which is again another oil funnel adapter for Renault, Nissan. I don't think this one's in yet, is it?
That's not in stock yet, that one. It's the same bayonet fitting, but it's a smaller diameter. So this will fit on some of the new petrol hybrid vehicles as well. Right. We have got one of the new petrol hybrids in the fleet, and that fits, and it's been modelled on that. Perfect. So full range coverage for Renault and Nissan now as well.
Okay. Well, I think next, Shep, we're going over to we're going on a walk again for the...
Yep, just over there, mate, behind us.
In the induction heater next. So, all right. So is that this one?
No, it's not. It's this one.
Oh, where's that one, mate?
Over here.
Oh, you're going over that way, are you? Right. Throw me there.
It's the drain pan top.
Oh.
So the funnel extension. Since we released the oil drain station here we have had a lot of requests for a extension funnel. Again, we've listened. It simply goes onto the top there. It does come with some fixers, so you can put them around the edge so it's fully fixed on. I didn't fix it on because I wanted to show you how it fitted on there. It comes as a 3-piece unit. You just clip it together and then you can attach it with the clips that are supplied. Also supplied with it are 3 of the anti-splash and grit traps. So these stop the splashing of the oil coming out. They do also catch all the crud that comes out the bottom of the sump. So what it does over time is stop all that sludge getting into the bottom of your drainer.
So are they one-time use?
No, you just leave them in there. It comes with 3 of these. You can leave them in there until a state where the oil's not draining through them quick enough for you.
Yeah.
And then change them. These will be available as a consumable going forward, but it does come with 3 and they should last a long time. It's a very durable fibre material. It's like a spray booth air filter material.
Yeah. Looks very sturdy as well. And that will fit onto the other oil drainer that we do as well.
It will. It will fit on other drainers as well, providing you've got a 390mm base fit there. And the overall diameter of the top then goes to 535mm.
Right.
So it does widen it up quite a lot. And I say this has come through requests as well.
Okay. Perfect, Shep. Well, we are going for another wonder with the camera.
Now we get to the heating
yes,
duct.
I got ahead of myself a bit there, Shep. I was getting excited for this product, Shep. I know you're going to do a demonstration with this one, aren't you?
Yeah, so this is not in stock yet, mate. It's due into stock very, very soon, which is why we're going to show it. It is in the new tool saver at the moment. This is a 5.2 kilowatt unit.
Right, so quite powerful.
It's quite a powerful unit, yeah. For that, the reason it's 5.2 kilowatt, and we do have to protect the element of that sort of stage of heat. So we have water-cooled technology on this as well. So this is a tank that gets filled with coolant. As you're using it, the water is essentially flowing up and around the tip here. So it keeps the element that you're using nice and cool.
Perfect. Am I right in thinking it will be blue once it arrives in, laser blue?
It will come in laser blue. The whole carcass will be blue. This setup will be pretty much the same, but in laser colours. It's got an adjustable output, so you can alter your output that you want to go up to. Most people will just want to go to maximum because they want to do everything at the speed of light. And this basically tells you the temperature of the coolant and that's in it. And when you're using the unit, they're just indicator lights to tell you that if you're too high in temperature, or obviously your coolant temperature, and whether it's actually on or off.
Yeah.
So we'll switch the unit on. And basically, we'll just touch it onto here.
You can see it's smoking already.
Yeah, a few seconds, look, and she's already going red.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it didn't take long to heat that up.
Wow.
The thing with big heat inductors like this, they're safe to put into areas where you wouldn't dream of putting a naked flame. This is cool, I can touch that. That's just been glowing red, I wouldn't want to touch that. But actually touching this tip, so once you've heated it up, you can bring it past airline pipings and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's not going to damage anything around it.
Perfect. Yeah.
Fantastic bit of kit, that 5.2 kilowatt. For anyone that's in the market for one of these, check it out. The price is very, very keen.
It's in the tool saver again, another new product for the tool saver. So yeah. All right, Shep.
A fantastic workshop product, that.
Okay.
The thing with heat inductors as well, Sean, as time goes on, insurance companies and people are not allowed to use oxyacetylene in workshops, so it's very insurance friendly.
Right, okay, yep. So right, we're going to move over to a range of products now that we've recently launched. I'll faster than I ever should. So you've got them.
A few mistakes along the way, mate.
We are live. We are live. So, not sure which one you want to start with.
9344 is the first one.
That is this one then.
So this unit, these are all jump starter packs with various different formats. So this one here, multifunction unit, this also has an air pump built into it. 12 volt booster, it's got lights on it, you can charge it via a USB. Comes with the leads here, and the air pump also comes supplied with adapters so you can blow up your air beds for camping and stuff like that, or your footballs and beach balls, whatever you want to blow up with it.
They're quite light as well.
Yeah, it is. It's a durable unit. It comes in a nice case, so it's easy to store. The light on it, it's great for camping. People that are doing caravanning, camping and stuff like that, caravanning, camper vans and stuff like that. It's a fantastic unit to take because they use them for all sorts of things.
Yeah. Worth noting as well, QR codes. We've started to add QR codes for all the instructions. So if you start to notice that on products, just scan the QR code and that will give you the instructions for each of the products. So the next one, Shep, is this one?
1224. No, this fella here. So 12 and 24 volt booster pack. Very, very light, as you can see. All these units use lithium technology. So the batteries are very small and compact, but very high capacity. This will start up to a 10 litre diesel.
Oh, 10 litre.
10 litre.
Right.
It also features a light unit. So if we switch a unit on here, this tells you what your battery state is in the unit. You can then select whether you want it 12 volt or 24 volt. Once you connect this to a battery on a vehicle, it will switch over, say ready at the bottom here, and then it will start counting down from 60 seconds. Within that time is when you can start the vehicle. It's when it is putting the power into that vehicle. So 12, 24 volt. It's also got outputs on it. It has to be charged off a main source, which is supplied with it.
So and this on this, has it got a light, I believe, on the side? Yep.
Yeah, it's got a nice light on it.
So if you're at the side of the road, trying to start a vehicle.
Warning light.
Yeah. And you could charge your phone as well.
Yeah, it's got output. Yeah. These are outputs, so it's got USB outputs on it.
Right. It's got 3 of those as well. So. Perfect. And then the last one within that range is this one.
Yeah, this one's for probably more light vehicle workshops. So that's 1224. If you want something that's just 12 volt, another fantastic unit. This will start up to 5 litre petrol, 3 litre diesel. Again, a small compact unit. This can be charged via USB, so you can charge it en route if required. Cables fairly long to get across a wide battery if you want to get into a big battery that some of the vehicles are fitted. It's also got outputs on it as well and lights on it like the other units. So 3 fantastic products into the range here.
This one you like as well, Shep? You said this was going to be a...
Yeah, this is a fantastic product. You may find it it's a tyre inflator. All the ones that we currently do in the range are on a gauge. People like the standard workshop looking tyre inflator. This is an alloy body, so it's very, very durable, strong. It's digital. It's got illumination, and it's got PSI. Get it to switch over. Bar and KPA. So 3 different formats of use. On PSI, it will do up to 184 PSI of pressure. So not just light vehicle workshops, heavy vehicle workshops as well. It will come in laser blue, not this jazzy orange colour. This is just the sample. We've done it in orange so we don't lose it.
Luke at Power-Tec, he'd be getting excited thinking it's a Power-Tec product.
Yeah, well, we've got news for him.
I really like. I think it's quite heavy as well, isn't it? It really feels.
It's a really
sturdy.
really good quality
Yeah.
unit. We have got some new adapters coming into the range. This one comes with a brass quick connector like so it can just be clipped on. If you do like the long plug-on ones or the long plug-on ones that snap connector on it, we've got 2 of those coming to the range as well, which
Perfect.
can be converted over to this.
Oh, yeah, I really like that.
So 9366, that product. Fantastic tyre inflator. What you done with my cards? You're not passing on me, are you? You're not keeping up. 30 litre capacity grease gun. 30 litre capacity, if you was to fill it with grease straight into it. Not many people will do that. So if you wanted to buy a tin cartridge, this will easily accept a 12.5 kilo cartridge. Fantastic product for commercial workshops where they use a lot of grease rather than using a little handheld grease gun.
So this would save a lot of time then.
Yeah, it's got
rather than
a 2 metre lead on it, pistol grip, easy access, a standard grease gun fitting that will fit on all standard grease nipples. And basically it's on wheels and you just literally pump it in. This has got no grease on it, so it's safe.
Yeah.
It's not going to be spraying everywhere.
And simply just take this off and replace
Yeah,
the
it's just
substrate into.
it's just a quick release head.
Yep.
You can lift the top off, drop your cartridge in and just drop it back on. It's nice and clean, it's on wheels, it's very portable. A great product into the laser range, into the commercial sort of side of things.
Perfect, yeah. I think that'd be a good one for the commercial gear leaflet, Shep, actually, on that one.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'll take that there. Next one.
Yeah.
Everything's on wheels today,
Some
Shep.
water.
So this again is another range of products that we've added into the laser range.
So this is one of 3 of the new heaters into the laser range. Fantastic finish in this blue. Bit biased I might be, but they do look good. This one is kerosene or diesel or paraffin powered. So it basically, you fill it with fuel, it's got temperature control here, plug it into the mains for the ignition. You can actually set the temperature on the thermostat here. It's got a digital readout on the side here, and you basically just set it to the temperature that you want. Once your workshop reaches that temperature, it will switch off. When it drops down again, it will automatically switch back on. So it's reasonably efficient on fuel as well.
And this, you had this on in the tech centre the other week, didn't you? Which you heated the whole of the tech centre up as well. So.
Yeah, I came in after a weekend and forgot to put the heating back on in there, and it was pretty cold. We put this on to get it up to temperature because we've got people visiting, and it brought it straight back up to temperature,
right.
No problem. We left it on about 20 minutes, and the tech centre is a big area.
Yeah.
It did a really good job.
We've got one comment: do not use biodiesel. Shep on this.
Yeah, normal diesel, not biodiesel. So none of your recycled chip fat.
Brilliant. And then the other 2 that we've got.
The other 2 we have here. The first one, mains powered. This one comes with a regulator and basically will go onto a propane bottle. Ignition, control here, output control, so you can adjust the heat level and just fire it up with a button there. So just plug it in, have your regulator on it, onto your gas bottle, switch it on, and away you go. These are a semi-naked flame, so it will have a bit of heat and flame coming out the front of it. So you don't want them too close to something, but these do a fantastic job if you don't want to go down the route of a fuel unit.
And these are all available now. They're all in stock.
They are all in stock.
And then the last one is just the plug-in.
So a 3 kilowatt output ceramic plate heater. These are fantastic for small workplaces, home space, conservatories, and anything like that. 3 kilowatt output. It's got. You can adjust the output you want on it. You can just run it with the fan So if you didn't want the heat on it, you can use it in the summer just with a fan on.
So you can use it just as a normal fan.
Just
as
as
well?
a normal fan.
Yeah.
It's got a single speed fan there.
Right.
And it will just run like that.
Yeah.
The output is really good on them. It's a compact unit. It's well made. And I think we're going to, this out of all of them, I think is going to be one of the big sellers.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's so versatile.
60 metre square area
Yeah.
as well, it says on here as well. So yeah, so I think that's going to be a good one.
Yeah.
So
I think workshop, I would go with the big one, the diesel one. And if I wanted one for a smaller space, home workshop, I'd go with a small one.
yeah. Right, these have been added into the range. We do these separately anyway, Shep, both sizes. So this is a 2-piece pry bar set, which is 3/4 and 1/2 inch, am I right?
Yeah, we've had a very good success with the 8814 3/8 drive adapter. It's been a very successful product. The maker of it came to us and said, why can't we do this in 1/2 inch? So
And that's the 3/4.
we went with that as well. These are a really well made product, converts any power bar or ratchet into a lever bar.
Yeah.
Great for removal of seals and all sorts really. They have infinite uses. They are 8 points of contact in there, so you can put your ratchet or bar in at any angle.
Yeah.
So they're not too restrictive. And a massive space saver as well in the workshop. Rather than having a long bar, you've got something like that that you can just have in the corner of your box, and a versatile product.
Perfect, yeah. They come in a nice little box. Storage box as well.
Instead, the 1/2 inch one does come on its own as well. That is part number 9205.
These ones, again, another range, but I really like these. I know you came to a meeting yesterday and showed us how these work. I think it's quite quirky.
Named lock sock rails.
Yep.
And the reason for that is the socket that's on there. We've got a 3/8 drive one here. This is a 3-piece kit, which is part number 9238. And the way this works is, if I can show that, it literally just clips to the side and we can lift off, put the socket on, clip, and let me show that like that. You can see that it literally just clicks to the side. And that is your lock sock design.
So for any toolbox, that's perfect, isn't it?
They are padded on the bottom. It's got a foam padding on the bottom of it. They're magnetic, so it won't scratch the side of your toolbox. But they also have eyelets in them here as well. So if you've got hooks and you want to hang them up, or put a nail or something in your corner of your workshop, whatever the reason is, you can hang these up. These are a great design and nicely finished in the anodised blue.
And then we've also got another 3 that we've added into the range, different sizes, and I believe, again, a similar thing, isn't it, Shep, with these? So, again, these are a triangle in shape. Any reason for that, Shep?
That is just double the sockets, so that will hold. These ones will hold up to 20 sockets.
Right.
So these are like a 45-degree angle on these, so you get 10 sockets down this side, 10 sockets down that side. If you've got more sockets that you want to store, you can still have the product. Again, at the back, still got the backing on it, still got the holes in it, magnetised or be hung.
I think they really like those.
The 3-piece kit is also available. All the ones in the 3-piece kit are available individually as well. Quarter drive 9235, 3/8 9236 and 1/2 inch drive 9237. So they're all available individually.
Right. Now
The
I
next
really,
one-
really like this one, Shep. Again, this is another really good one that we've added into the range for storage. So this is, am I right in thinking this is 3 part numbers altogether?
It is. We have 3 individual part numbers. So starting at the top, we've got 56167, 56166 and 56165. You'll see it is in the Kamasa brand, and it is a storage system, a modular storage system comprising of 3 boxes. Within the top box here we have our pockets, which can be used to store anything really, nuts, bolts, if you want to use this for taking out on recreational use or whatever you want to store in it.
So with the Connect consumables, yep.
You can use it for consumables around the workshop. Like I say, recreational use if somebody wanted to use it for fishing or taking anything else. The base unit, incidentally, has got some really chunky wheels on it. We'll show you that in a minute as we work down. The second box we have here, top storage compartment, and then as we move down here, something that's quite unique to this is 2 lockable drawers.
And they're quite deep, the drawers as well, aren't they then?
They are, and you will note that they're really sturdy. And down the side of the box here, we've got the reinforced plates as well.
Well, the runners look really sturdy on those as well. So yeah.
Yeah, proper steel runners down there. And you can see that they work really well and they can be locked. So when in transportation, nothing's going to come out.
It just feels really sturdy as well, doesn't it? The boxes.
If we just undo that one there. Moving on to the base unit. This is the wheeled unit. This has a retractable handle, like so. So if you only got this part of it, it's got a foot pedal there. So when it's fully loaded, it may be heavy. You can put your foot on it and tilt it very easily. It's a really deep compartment in the base unit, but it also features a removable tray as well.
And it's worth noting each box has actually got a handle as well.
Yes.
So even though it stacks within each other, everything can be used individually as well. So
yeah, they're all individual, but if you just wanted the base unit and the multi-box unit, you could put this straight on top of the base unit.
Yeah.
And you see how quick and easy that was to slot together. The way that it clips together
that
is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, that's really good.
It's a really, really nice bit of kit, that. Fantastic for all sorts of trades, really.
Yeah.
Any trade where you want to take your kit, wheel it into somebody's property, you've got everything with you.
Builders as well, any tradesmen.
Yep. Electricians, plumbers, anything like that.
Yeah, I could see you going fishing with this.
Well, it's been a long time since I've been on the end of a hook.
Now the next one, this is new, so it's a Connect product. I think you read up a little bit on this one, haven't you, mate?
So HD SCS connectors, heavy duty sealed connector series. This kit is coming and these connectors are very, very popular in the commercial sector of vehicles, and they are alongside the Super Seal series. It uses the same crimp tool as Super Seal, and what these are, multi-connectors. So we've got in the kit 12 to 18 pin connectors, and the slide clip there, it locks them together.
You get terminals.
This is going to be a really popular kit. It's due into stock any time now, I believe.
Yeah, I think this is pretty certain it's in, and again a new addition to the Connect range and another new truck commercial.
Yeah, not just truck. You've got agricultural, marine, anything like that. These connectors are really, really safe to use. They're durable, but also sealed. Yeah, that is the key with these products. It's a sealed connector, heavy duty seal connector.
Brilliant.
So great product, that 34337.
Right, this one we've been asked for again numerous times, and finally this will be launched into the range very soon, I believe.
This is the baby one of the range. We've got 3 of these coming into the range. This is the baby 8-ton 9331. It is a bottle jack. It's horizontal and vertical operation. You can swivel the base there, so when you pump it up you can put your bar at any angle. You can use it horizontally and vertically. You can wind up the thread here, so you're not using all of your hydraulic extension. You can bring this up so it meets the bottom of your vehicle or the aperture where you want to get it into. So we've got 3 of these coming in, like I say. This is the first one, 9331, which is 8-ton. We've got a 12-ton which is coming 9332, and 9332 3 is a
The
20 tonne. 20 tonne bottle jack.
Crikey.
That is
Yeah.
some bit of kit.
Again, we've been asked numerous times for these, so we've listened and we've added them into the range, so they will be available soon.
Yeah, and I think alongside these there will be a really nice range of commercial axle stands coming to be used alongside these as well.
Oh, you're teasing them now, Shep.
I know.
So-
I can't help it, mate.
So, oh, and this, I believe, this is in now. So I've noticed.
Is it in stock?
It's actually in. It has come out, I think, on the.
Wow.
This one, again, I think this one will be a really, really good seller.
This is a brake bleeding unit, complete with a full set of really nice anodised aluminium caps. So for fitting all vehicle master cylinders, we hope.
So
A fantastic range of caps here. Oh, could do with a drink.
so yeah.
So one of the things that sets this apart from the rest, 50 psi pressure it'll go up to, and it's got 3 ways of powering the unit. It comes with a rechargeable battery, which can go onto the side of the unit like so. So fully portable then. If the battery, you've forgot to charge it for some reason, as I would, you can use it on vehicle power at 12 volt power. And then if you've got no access to that but have access to 240, you can use it with the 240 adapter as well. Adjustable pressure, like I say, up to 50 psi. On the back of the unit there, where we've got all this stuff stored at the moment, that compartment is adequate enough to store the 5 litre of your brake fluid.
And this comes together as a kit. It's not 2 separate part numbers, is this?
No, it is
This
a
is-
full kit.
yeah.
It comes with the caps. It's something we've never done before. We always used to do the bleeders and the caps separate. People are always saying, why can't I just get it as a kit? And now you can. It is a fantastic bit of kit into the range, this 9315.
Price. Oh, the price on this is really
It's
good.
keen.
Yes.
It's
So
keen.
please have a look out for this one. So I think this will be a very good seller.
It also comes with, that we've not got here, if I just get one here, it also comes with 2 of the bleed bottles.
So these are included in the kit as well.
Yeah, it comes
Yep.
with 2 of these, so you can either bleed 1 nipple at a time, or if you wanted to, you can hang these up under the wheel arches and you can do 2 simultaneously to speed up the job. So it comes with 2 of these.
So everything you need in one kit.
It is a fantastic kit. Like I say, a very, very keen price.
Brilliant. Well, I believe that is everything for today, Shep. However, I have been told to mention something about part number 9316. So we're going to give away 100 of these caps. So the 9316 Renault Mercedes caps that we showed you earlier. So we're going to give it away free. So please keep an eye out on our Instagram page later on today around 4 PM for all the details on this. So get logged on and have a look around 4 PM, like, subscribe, and you'll be in a chance to get hold of one of these. All right.
We just got a comment coming through.
Oof.
The Renault Mercedes cap.
Oh, is that, yeah, Renault Mercedes DCI cap. So yeah, please keep an eye on, that's our Instagram page. And again, thanks for joining us. I think a lot of the comments have been answered already as well. So until next time, thank you for joining, and we'll see you on the next live.
Thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you soon.